In this video, I'll show you how to buy Solana in the USA using Trust Wallet in a simple and easy way. But before starting, it's important to clarify that I'm not a financial advisor and this content is only for educational purposes, so make sure you do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. To begin, open your Trust Wallet mobile application and log into your account, then look for Solana on the home screen, and if it's not visible you can search for it manually and enable it so it appears on your dashboard. Once you tap on Solana, you'll see options like Send, Receive, Swap, and more, where you need to select the Buy option to continue. After that, enter the amount of Solana you want to purchase and review the estimated cost, then choose a payment method recommended for US users, which is usually a credit or debit card through a regulated third-party provider. Trust Wallet itself does not sell crypto directly, so you'll be redirected to a provider's page where you may need to create an account and complete identity verification, which is a standard requirement under US regulations. After entering your payment details and completing the process, the provider will process your order and your Solana should appear in your Trust Wallet once the transaction is confirmed. Fees, approval times, and availability can vary by provider and state, so always double-check the details before confirming. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel for more simple and honest crypto guides coming soon.